In this video, I'll show you how you can install OSU skins very easy. So what you want to do is just head over to osuskins.net, and in here you just want to find the one that you want to use. Now in my case, let's just say I want to use this one. Then I'm going to select this one, and from in here I'm going to press download. Then I can just minimize this one. And then what I want to do is just quickly close down the game. And when you have the game here, this is the one I just downloaded, I'm just gonna drag it to my desktop. Then I can double click it to launch the game, or you can right click and open with and then select your OSU. But if I double click it now, it's gonna open up OSU, and as you can see, I will have this skin that I just installed. So let's just give it a few seconds to load up, and there we go. Now I have the skin that I just installed, and you can basically do that for all of the skins in here. Now this is the yellow cursor one, and as you can see, I have the yellow cursor as well. So that's basically how you do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.